Namhlanje ngizoshaya ilist yabadlali abawu9 abasathanda kusayinwa kule season. One of the best players and ukusayinwa kwabo kuyayisiza impela i-team. Ngizoqala ngo-Ian Otieno. Ian Otieno siyamazi ugoalkeeper osathanda kufika we-Richards Bay FC. Usuka kwiclub ekuthiwa iZesco United yaseZambia. Yena ngokokuhlala ungowaseKenya vele if I'm not mistaken. Uyavimba impela umjide yize i-team yakhe ineyinkinga nje okwamanje, but yena ngokwakhe mina ngokubona wami uyakwazi ukuvimba umfana. Kuthi umdlalo olandelayo uKikin Allen. Kikin Allen siyamazi sonke lo mdlali usuka kuSuperSport United. Sekwayidlalela iSwallows, sekwadlalela amaTuks if I'm not mistaken. Ukuthi usuke kanjani kuSuperSport United angazi. UKevin Hans wavela umdedela nje umfana ahambe as a free transfer wajoyina iRichards Bay FC. Kanti lo mfana lo uyadefenda impela bafethu. Angazi indaba amaningi angafuni ukumlanda. But I see this boy joining big clubs in the next seasons because uyakwazi ngempela ukudefend. Mase nimbuke ngempela indlela adlala ngakhona. He's a good defender this guy. Yize nje udlala nama teammates angafuni ukumsiza. Mase kulandela uVan Rooyen. uVan Rooyen Orlando Pirates yamsayina kuStellenbosch FC. Sibe nje nevari bafethu. uVan Rooyen kuOrlando Pirates udlala ngempela. Yabo udlala ngempela akhombisa ukuthi umdlali osasana kusayinwa ngathi adasayinwa indlela adlala ngakhona. So ngambeka kubadlali abadlala ngempela kuma signings asasayiniwe so far. And mezoqhubeka ngalendlela lezogcina esizakhela igama kuOrlando Pirates and leya position le azogcina sekuyiyakhe unomphela. Mase kulandela striker samaZulu FC uIgodaro. Yabo Igodaro kahle umdlali weMamelodi Sundowns bamlonela kumaZulu. Yabo before bedlalela iSuperSport bemlone kuSuperSport, right now bamlone kumaZulu. But indlela adlala ngakhona lo mjida so far unama 7 appearances with amagoli awu3. Yabo akanayi assist, unama 7 appearances with 3 goals. Lapho ukuyilone kuyakhombisa impela lo mjida uyadlala ngempela and uyafuna ukubuyela kweSundowns. Yize uthi iSundowns right now iquality nayo ngempela lapha phambili. Sekulandela uKeletso Magala. Keletso Magala in the past akakaze afike kwi-team afika adlale kahle. Yonke i-team asathanda kufika kuyona ushesha ahambe because i-game time akayitholi and aka-impress o-coaches abaningi. Lo bekumdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns but right now usedlalela iSkhukhune United. Sekwadlalela ama-team njengo-TS Galaxy, sekwayidlalela futhi ne-Upington City, iMaritzburg United, iMoroka Swallows, sekwayidlalela ne-All Stars FC igugu laseKapa. But right now udlalela nje iSkhukhune and kwiSkhukhune uyadlala ngempela. The 27-year-old unama appearances awu12 kuSkhukhune United. Unamagoli amathathu unama assist amathathu. Usathanda kufika kuSkhukhune United but indlela adlala ngakhona uyakhombisa ukuthi iSkhukhune siyathembela kuyena and naye umjidi uyayirevive ngempela icareer yakhe. Size ngoMohau Nkota umdlali weOrlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates lo mfana lo usathanda kumlanda nje kuma reserve side. Yamsayinisa join iside elidala. Jose Rivera uyibonile intwana ukuthi intwana iyadlala impela and izokwazi ukuyisiza i-team this season. Mohau Nkota unama appearances awu9 kuOrlando Pirates so far kule season le. And ama goals akhe unama goals awu4. Yabo. So uyakhombisa impela umfana ukuthi kuningi asazokulethela iOrlando Pirates. So ingakho ngimbeka la with one of the best signings asenziwe kule season le so far. Kuthi number 2 Samasonke. Yabo Samasonke umojela bafethu ukuthi okwamanje usashawa injury. Yabo engathi angalulama abuye izwile kuthiwa i-period yakhe isazo extend nje besana injury. But efika nje kuStellenbosch FC kule season indlela asadlala ngakhona yakhombisa impela ukuthi umdlali iStellenbosch esithembela kuyena. Right now iStellenbosch adlali kahle because akekho umojela right now. Umojela unama appearances awu9 kuStellenbosch FC all competition. 9 appearances and 6 goals. Yabo kuyakutshela lo ukuthi umdlali lo ovelele ngempela kuStellenbosch FC. But one of the best signings asenziwe so far kule season le ulomdlali weMamelodi Sundowns uIkram Reyners. Yabo bafethu uIkram Reyners angifuni ukuqamba manga. I'm one of the people who said uIkram Reyners meya kweMamelodi Sundowns izofike iphele icareer yakhe. But I'm sure indlela afike enza ngakhona kweMamelodi Sundowns. Yebo ufike walwela iJs. Walwela iJs wamtshela ucoach ukuthi hey coach, mina I can do better than your players that you feel right now. And into ayenzayo uIkram Reyners iyajabulisa impela. Even now kwiCAF Champions League uyafika enza umsebenzi akumele awenze. KwiBetway Premiership uyafika enza umsebenzi akumele awenze. So far uIkram Reyners for iMamelodi Sundowns unama appearances awu13 in all competitions. 13 appearances with ama goals ayi10. 13 appearances with ama goals ayi10 ne-assist ayi1. Yabo lama goals lawo wakora in all competitions ne-assist ayi1. Yabo kuyakutshela lo ukuthi striker sangempela lesi uyadlala ngempela lo mjida lo. And kule season le ngiyenzeka futhi ayithathe ne-best player of the season if I'm not mistaken. Mhlambe phela sengiyagagemela lapho yabo. Bazi ngokwenu ngangitshela ama comments uthi ubani ngokubona kwami labadlali ade ngibaveza nje la namhlanje. For me bangenzela yabo these are one of the best signings asenziwe kwiBetway Premiership so far. wena ungangitshela lapho kuma comments ibaphi abadlali wena obonayo, ibaphi nabadlali obabonayo uthi cha vane nabo mina abami abadlali abasathanda kusayinwa abadlala ngempela kule season yabo.